REFY's summer skin collection and their brow collection and trying it on my face. I've seen so many people use their summer skin products on social media and it looks so pretty, especially for summer. So I just ordered their products and I'm gonna show you what they look like on my skin. I'm just gonna put on some foundation off camera real quick and then we can get into it. Okay, so I just put on some foundation. I'm just gonna pull my hair back and we can get started. The Summer Skin Collection claims that it enhances your natural complexion for an illuminating, healthy glow. And it comes with these 3 products. If you get the set, it comes with a cream bronzer, it comes with a cream blush, and then it comes with a gloss highlighter. So you can choose your cream bronzer and your cream blush. There are 3 options for both of those products. And then the gloss highlighter comes in only 1 shade. So for the cream bronzer, they have sand, tan, and onyx. And I got tan, which is the middle shade. So I will show you what that looks like. And all 3 of these products cost $65 when you buy them as a bundle. So you will save $7 when you buy it together than if you were to buy them separately. And just so you guys know, they are vegan and cruelty free as well. This is what the packaging for the cream bronzer looks like. I don't know why I've been having trouble opening it a little bit, but I'm getting better. This again is the middle shade, which is tan. So if you have that kind of same complexion and that olive warm skin tone like I do, then I suggest you get this one. They suggest you apply this using a wide stippling bronzer brush and picking up a small amount of product. So I'm just gonna be using this Fenty Beauty 125 face brush. I'm just picking up a little bit of product, and it says to go in circular motions underneath the cheekbones and across the high points on the face and forehead and center of the nose. For added definition, use the next shade up. I don't know if you guys can see that. It definitely warms up the face. I think this undertone is more of like a reddish color. But I like to start kind of closer to the hairline and then move in for that more of a, what is it called? Ombre effect. You can definitely see the warmth being added. I'm gonna add some to the forehead, put some on the nose, and then do the other side. And then again into the forehead. So overall, I really like the way that this looks. I feel like it looks natural. It really does give you that burnt, just got out of the sun, sun-kissed type of warmth on your face, which I like. And it was really easy to blend. It doesn't feel thick on my skin. I really don't feel it at all. And I feel like this is super buildable if I want to go crazier and make this look a lot more of a sunburnt look, I could. And it's pretty user-friendly, to be honest. I'm not great with creams. I don't know why, I'm just more of a powdered girl. I do like this though. I think this is great for warmer months and I do feel like bronzy and tan. Okay, so on to the cream blush. So we have this in the shade Malaya, which is also the second shade, the medium shade, I guess. And so we have Rose, Malaya, and Citron, and again, I got Malaya. So this is more of a, I don't know why I can't get it. I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so this is what Malaya looks like. It's more of this mauve-y pink shade that I really don't have a lot of in my makeup collection. I usually like to go with more of like a peachy corally blush just because I feel like that looks better with my skin. The way that they tell you to use their cream blush is to use a small dense brush, pick up a small amount of product and press it into the skin and press it into the center of the cheeks, blending into the cheekbones. I'm just gonna take that same brush because this is probably more of the brush they want me to use for the blush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of product in here. I feel like blush always leaves my face so fast. Like I know I'll put that on to go out, like it just doesn't last on me for some reason. Again, same consistency with the blush. A little bit on my nose. I'm excited to go to the highlighter. So the highlighter is, like I said, in one shade. This is in Topaz. So this is the only shade they have for the highlighter. But this is a really pretty metallic color. Let me swatch it for you. That is so pretty. It says to squeeze a very small amount and gently tap onto the high points of the face, blend in by pressing into target areas. They say this is a non-sticky formula that will set into the skin, leaving a radiant glow on top of the skin. Can be used on cheekbones, eyelids, under the brow, cupid's bow, lips, and collarbone. So let's do all of those places. Like, I've seen people use this on supermodels, like this glossy type of highlighter, and I love the way it looks on them. I've never actually tried it on myself because I just feel like I would look greasy, but the right amount of this I feel like would look so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit under my brow bone, and then I'm just gonna do some like Cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, eyelids, cheekbones, underbrow, Cupid's bow, lips, and collarbone. Okay, let's try our collarbones here. I have a little bit, my collarbones are never, I wish I had like collarbones that you could see, but I have to go like this to see them, which is fine, but I just wish it was a little more visible without me having to be like, and then I'm just gonna take the rest and just put it on my shoulders. Y'all, how pretty. Just comes together. I feel like bronzy and glowy and like a little dewy dumpling, as Nambo, if you guys know who she is, calls herself and her clients dewy dumplings. She's known for having this like beautiful glassy and glossy skin, and this highlighter is what that reminds me of. From trying this out right now, I love these products, especially together. They just kind of go seamlessly like they're meant to be together, which obviously they are, but I definitely recommend trying these out for summer. Other than the summer skin collection, I wanted to show you what their brow collection looked like together. Their brow collection includes these 3 items. We have their brow pencil, we have their brow pomade, and then we have their brow sculpt. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like on me. I got the shade medium, and they come in light, medium, and dark. They claim that these are long lasting and smudge proof, and it's supposed to create a really natural look, or it can also create exaggerated fuller creation for your brows. So these 3 products, the summer skin collection, I just got these a few days ago, but I have had their brow collection products for a few months now, and so I kind of know how to use them. So I'll show you what this looks like on me. I usually use their brow pencil to create the hair-like strokes in the beginning and kind of outlining my brows. I'll just go in and draw underneath the brow, and then I'll do the front little like hairs, and then I'll try to outline the ends a little bit, the tails, it's like really roughly, and then I'll take the spoolie side and just brush them out. And that already looks better, but I love their brow pomade because it's so easy and quick if you're on the go and you just want your brows to be more full, but you don't want to sit there and have to like draw each little hair. One end comes with this brush, and the other end comes with the pomade at the end of the bottle or container, I don't know. So you just stick this in here, gives you a little bit of the product, and then I usually just use this part for making the tail ends and filling in any gaps. So I'll just lightly go in. And look how full they look. So once that is complete and you're happy with the way that looks, I'm just gonna brush it out again with this spoolie. And then the most magical part of it all, and my favorite product of their brow collection, is this. And this is their brow sculpt. So you open this up, it's kind of like a tube of mascara, but like white. And you just take this end and go through your brows. They might look a little crazy at first because you see that white residue, but just I make sure there's a lot of product in here, like that. And then you take this, you screw it back on and just pull the cap up. And there's a double-sided spoolie, one with a more fine-tooth end and like a more of a brush on this side. So I'm gonna take the thicker side and I'm just going to brush them up and over a little bit to create the illusion of these really big, full brows. Then I'm gonna take the more fine-tooth end and just brush them into place as my last step. This is just like getting your brows laminated, but for a fraction of the cost. I'm gonna have to fill in part of the bottom of this brow because I think it erased off a little bit. And then you can clean it up with concealer. and a flat brush is what I usually like to do. And I think they look so good, so natural. Y'all, look how good this looks. So this is the final look with all of those 6 products by REFY. I love everything used together. I think you could make a really great summer look with those 6 products. If you guys have any questions about what I used today or any questions at all, please leave them below and I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and